Hey everybody, this is Matt from Freya in Gambrills, Maryland. So we were going to do a video about why we don't do piercing guns or use piercing guns and why we're really against them. So I went online because I was curious, and I had heard people buying stuff online, piercing guns and piercing kits and all that other stuff. So I went ahead and bought this. This was 30 bucks, which is kind of appalling. And we're gonna kind of unbox it, see what we get for it. And I'm gonna go over a few things with everybody. So let's go ahead and get this guy open. And this is just how it came, packaged, sealed, all that stuff. So you can tell that none of this jewelry is in a sterilization pouch, which means that it is not sterile at all. Okay. So that is a lot of jewelry. I even came with some body jewelry, some nostril jewelry, it looks like. Some pearls, some all kinds of stuff there. And then this is the piercing gun. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's not sterile. Look at that. Not even sure what these are.
How do you know it's not sterile?
Because it's not in a pouch. Not only is it not in a pouch, but this is all plastic. So if you sterilize this, it's going to melt. The only way to sterilize anything is up to 270 plus degrees of heat. So this would melt.
So all of this for $30.
So all this for $30. And there's more stuff. I don't even know what, are those backs?
96 pieces of jewelry.
It's 96 pieces of jewelry for 30 bucks. You're paying 30 cents, maybe even less. You're paying 30 cents for a piece of jewelry, maybe even less because the gun's included. That's insane. So just to give you guys a quick kind of comparison, one of these gemstones is usually going to be in that $30 range. So one of these gemstones, maybe a little bit more, one of those is the same cost as this entire kit. And the first thing that you should be asking yourself is why? Why is this so much more expensive than this? And I can tell you for a fact that even though you're paying 30 cents for one of these, it probably cost 2 pennies, maybe 3 to make. This is all stuff 100% coming from overseas. Yeah, I'm a little bit annoyed with this almost. And then it also comes with nostril jewelry. So there's a lot of, these are all backings. So all the backings are in there. But these are the gemstones. So that's the gemstone one. I don't know if you can see how dirty that piece is. Oh man. So you can definitely go online and get a bunch of jewelry for 30 bucks. This is not something, I mean, you can physically see all the little divots in the metal. You can see all the dirt in there. And this is what you're going to pierce your ear with. So that was the unboxing of our gun kit. We're going to do a video in a little bit showing why or how damaging the gun can actually be when piercing. So that's the whole reason we bought this. But now I'm just like, it is what it is, I guess.